Hi guys, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and as I said hello, I bit the side of my mouth. Ouch! So, this is going to be a good day, isn't it? I am here because I want to show you a beautiful package that I got from Pat, Patricia. She is Pat S on YouTube, and I'll give you her YouTube link. And she's in Glue Gun Chronicles, our group, and she's a friend of mine on Facebook, and she sells these kits. And I don't know how often she does it, so comment here, find her, or go through me, give me a message, and I'll get her to get a hold of you, or comment down below or in the Glue Gun Chronicles group. So she lives in Belgium, and the packaging only costs $9.48, so that's not bad at all. But she hand makes this, and I got it, I want to say a month ago, and she knew that I was out of town, but I want to give her a shout out video because the work is gorgeous. And I bought this kit from her, and she decorated the top, but it came unglued, but I'm gonna glue it back, but out of the plastic. But this is gorgeous, just this itself. It's layered and beautiful. It's so pretty. She's got bling on it and everything. So let's open up. Well, I'll show you. See how it comes in this little plastic kit. Perfect storage. Perfect storage. So she hand makes all this, and I really wish I could do this stuff. And she wrote me a little card, and I had read it, but I just love all this. Oh my gosh, there's like 50 pieces. I think I counted 47 to 50 pieces. So let's just get started in all the goodiness. I picked this color. She does several colors, and I'm gonna order probably right after Christmas a light pink one because I really love it. But I think I need two containers of each, so that I'll use one and hoard one. I don't see me using this unless I have a whole nother one just like this beside it, because it's artwork. This is artwork. She crocheted or knitted. I think it's crochet. I learned that from my grandmother when I was like 5 to 8, and I don't remember it. So anyway, I wish I did. Look at this. Look at the layers. Can you see the layers and the bling, and then the little danglies? I mean, oh my God. I'm in awe. I'm in love. This is artwork to me. So this is art right here. And to add it on to something else, well, my stuff's adequate, but to add this on it, bam. Oh my Lord. It's beautiful. Just look at that. Look at that doily. Isn't it gorgeous? I don't know how I'm going to lay this all back in. Look how long this is. Beading, and then she crocheted on top. Oh, it's going to be really hard to use this. So I'm going to have to order one to just have and one to use. So, Patricia, get ready. Pat, she goes by Pat S, but I think we all more or less call her Patricia. Okay, so I'll go quicker. I know I'm taking too long. Okay, so look at that flower. There's so many different ones. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. And then look at this little bow and the little pull bling ribbon down, and it's got bling on it. Look at this flower is different than the others. How it's going in the circle. Isn't that so sweet? Let me look at my my control and make sure. Yeah, it's focused right, but maybe it's just me moving around. And then this flower. Oh, that's a lot of work, a lot of hand work. Isn't that gorgeous? And then look at this doily. So I'm just in love with this container. She told me it was going to take a while, and I think she got it done in a week. She might already had some of it done though. So Look at there. Oh my Lord. Look. Oh, look at the little butterfly. Oh, I'm just in love with this. You know, that's just a lot of work, and they're all different sizes and everything, and I don't know anything about it, so I'm not, saying the right wording. Um, yeah. Oh my gosh. There's so much in here. I think that's all that. Oh no, here's a big one. I'm trying to show you everything because it's well worth it. Look at that. Okay, so I'm trying to keep everything just how she had it because it was just art in a box. I think she said something about when she makes it. Let me see what she says. Thank you for buying my crochet embellishment box. Smoke free, not pet free. Huh? We all have a little animal. I have a little Sadie. She's a Yorkie. She just got a hip replacement and she's only 1.5 years old. Not happy about that. But she lives in my house, but she's not in my craft room. But yeah, smoke free is very important to me because it will inflame my sinuses. I bought a vintage sewing machine. It's about 100 years old, and the lady was a smoker. I haven't brought it in my house. I've had it 3 months. It's sitting outside in the garage, and it still reeks of smoke. And I'm like, I don't know. I may never use it. Okay, let's get back to the goodiness. But thank you, hun. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. This one is just packed. This one is just packed. Oh, so thick. Oh, I love that the green is on there. Oh, look. Oh, look at the little butterfly, and it's 3-dimensional. This is just gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh no. I've already seen this a month ago. It's like seeing it all over again. Look at that. I think that's, I know it's on cardstock, but the finish is really nice. I don't know what she's done on the finish of that, but I love that. I want more of those and more of these and more of all this and more. Oh my gosh. I'm going to tell my husband I know what I want for my birthday. So one more container and then I'll let y'all go. But I'm so grateful y'all stopped by. And if y'all are interested, look at the butterflies. My aunt made these and she put magnets on the back and put them on the refrigerator. And I had them on my refrigerator for about 30 years. And she just passed away a few years ago. And I don't have them anymore once we moved here. Maybe they're in storage. That just gave me a sweet memory of my Aunt Frida. Oh, look at that. But that gave you an idea. Put a magnet on the back of that. You know what? I think I'm going to put a magnet on a couple of these and put them on my refrigerator just to give me a smile. I'll see them every day. Look. Oh. Okay, 2 more and I'll let y'all go. I'll get Pat's link so that you will know who she is and go sub to her. And she makes videos. I haven't been on in so long, so I'm not sure how often anyone makes videos. But yeah, wasn't that just gorgeous and beautiful? And I just love it. It was so worth the money. And I don't know what sizes and how often she does it. So thank you so much. And I just love it. And thank you for hand making me this. Bye, everybody. Thank you for subbing, and hit the bell so that you know when I'm putting up a video, because you never know when I'm coming. And also my links are down below. Glue Gun Chronicles is my group, and so please go and join that because I post a lot in there. I post a lot of stuff I never talk about here. I post a lot of pics that you can print and use for your own use, and I do a lot of templates and a lot of DIYs, and yeah. So all right guys, thanks for showing up and being with me for a few minutes. Have a blessed day.